So hello friends, today now it's time to go duty already. I wake up and ready, and many of you ask me that ma'am, what is the whole day schedule as MSc nursing students? Can we take time to take preparation? So I show you today that's how I spent the whole day and how busy class schedule of MSc nursing students. Not it is different from BSc to SEM. Like BSc for morning you have to go from breakfast first, then you have to join to duty from 8, and then 8 onwards you have duty up to 2 or 1 you can say. Then you again you have a lunch time for 45 to 30 minutes, and from 2 to 4 or 5 you have a class. So you can see that how we'll go by college, how we spend the whole day, and then how our class is going on. And here you can also see what breakfast we got, what is the lunch menu we got that day. So let's see. So this is our campus. So when we first take out our leg from the hostel, the first environment is what you are able to see is very beautiful. Each and every day when we open our window and get out from the hostel, every day it seems that you are coming here not for MSc, it is a visiting place. You are come here for traveling. So very beautiful place because the full area is covered by green hill and roads are very beautiful. And I took a bicycle, so I am very used to go with cycle because our hospital is almost 1 kilometer away from the hostel and college is 5 meter away. So it is very tough for us daily go walking because here summer is the most of the year there. It is summer, here is no winter. So during summer it is very tough to live here. Too much sun and they are walking for this 1 kilometer. Then again you have to give line in the mess for food. So next after morning we'll go the mess. You can see our mess how it's looking like. So mainly here two messes available. One is UG and one is PG mess. But PG students are allowed to take dine both messes. So UG mess is near from our PG girls hostel, and the PG mess is quite far. So in the morning we will like to go the UG messes. You can see our mess how it look like, and you also can see in morning breakfast what we get. So it's puri, then with kable chola. So let's start the journey towards the hospital. So it is, I think, good that daily we can get time to do exercise by walking, either bicycling. We have to go college and we come college from again walking or cycling. So it is good for health also. You can see the roads, the green hills. Daily morning will be very good for you. Now coming this is the building which is coming in front of medical colleges. Then after that you have to go to your specific ward. तो अगर सच बोलूँ तो कभी पसंद नहीं था मुझे इतना भी ड्यूटी करना. BSc में तो बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. But what can I do? Again we have to go daily duty. During BSc I think that okay, now I have to complete this duty. After that when I will do MSc. Daily I saw that MSc students coming to the ward, but they are not doing the duty. Okay, they coming just showing the face and then they left the ward. They doing study all the day. But here again I don't know how whether first batch or their strictness is different than other institute, that we have to go daily to the wards and daily teachers are coming. They observe we are there or not. And their tutors are there. For BSc nursing they are very strict that always they observed us. And after that in duty there is many activities you have to do. Like first you have to complete your requirement, then you have to teach the PSC students also. There is different things like bedside round, let's say cleaning. So all you have to conduct all these things, and in front of the tutor you have to show the demonstration to them, you have to teach them. So these are also coming the requirement, and the extra work also you have to do. And other things that here one I noticed that if BSNL student is not there in what, if they are in leave na, it is very tough to do duty because all are doing their own work. No one have time to talk with you. So that day is going for very boring when they are not there. So now you can see that this is the parking lot. We park here bike, car, cycle, anything. And this is the big area. You can see this is the fully hospital. Now let's
so
see
एक थिंग मैं
the
जितना
hospital
भी
area
बार
और-
बोलूँ वो सच में मुझे कम ही लगता है कि
I love the nature of this Mangalagiri campus. This is really very beautiful. Every day I think it's new for me. From sunrise to sunset, it is very good. When you come here, na, you will able to see here sunset color is different each and every day. Someday the sky is pink, purple. Someday the sky is yellow, orange. So if you get chance to come here, if you get MSc or BSc, you'll definitely come here. So today in this week only I'm posted in A5 ward. So here the ward name is like that, A1, A2, A3. So A, B, C, D, there is 4 block, and then according to floor they give the name like A1, A2. So I'm in A5, it is in 5th floor. So in 5th floor means you can see already there is 6th floor building it is. Now BSc nursing student also joined with us in same time. They have also first reached to the scheduled duty. So almost I reached in my respective ward. It is very near from the OPD way. So we used to go by the OPD building. So this is our nurses room, and the other video I will make of during lunch time. So bye friends. So friend, again I'm here. So this is lunch time. We get 1 hour time for lunch. Most of the day we get very less time, like 45 minutes, maximum 30 minutes. So you can see what lunch we get today. So this is anda curry today. So there is in every week they change their schedule. So one is good things, but only they change the date. Okay, this like Monday if it's anda curry, the next day they will use to change like Tuesday it's anda curry. So now again I reached my room. So now we can take a shower. Then after shower, after taking some 10 minutes rest, again we will go to the college. So let's meet
so
there.
again I'm ready. You can see the time, it's almost 2 o'clock. So we have 2 classes, 2 hours we have classes. So let's get out from the hostel. Again नहीं तो अगर लेट होने से तो सर क्लास में आ जाता है. So here ground floor we all are the MSc nursing students stay together. So again we come college by cycle. All of the BSc students they are used to come by cycle, and here we all park our cycle line by line. And let's see that's how our college looking. Already I know that you most of the my subscriber see how our college is looking from the inside. So let's see again. So this big building, our college, this is the medical college, and in left side it is our nursing college. So you can see how it's looking. It is fully central AC, and they are structured the each and every floor very good. So again there are 3 classrooms in the ground floor, first year, second year and third year, and we are the MSc student. We allotted a small classroom as we are only 10 students. So it is in first floor, and in first floor there again a reading room, and the tutor's room is there, and our all HOD rooms, principal rooms are in the 4th floor. So this is the first floor, you can see. And next we enter into the classroom. This is our classroom.
So hi friend, finally our all day activity done. Such a hectic day because we started from 8 a.m. and it's end almost 4:30 to 5. After lunch we have classes, and today we have to spend more time in college because we have many conversation with our faculties. We are going to a conference which is conducted in GPMAR on critical care nursing. So actually we have also some doubt about this. We talk, we get permission from them, and we also have AVS exhibition in upcoming days, especially in between the conference days, so it is overlapping. And again we have pre-test 2 days after the conference, so there is huge problem. Now sometimes we are getting permission, sometimes we are not. So that whole day, so you, the guys who asked me how the whole day MSc Nursing students spend, this is the whole day schedule. You can see that from duty to classes. And now you are asking me that, ma'am, it is possible to take preparation for the upcoming exams if you start taking preparation for NORCET. So I tell one thing, that in first year I think it is very hectic because full day duty, classes, and after classes now you have time in the evening, but there are too many things. Like tomorrow we have practical exam on our MedSurg subject, so that we came to know just now. And after that, day after the MedSurg exam, there is our education practical exam. So now you think you have only 1 or 2 days in hand to prepare for all the examination. After that you have AVS examination next upcoming week, so you have to prepare AVS again. So if you plan that evening we will read, we will give time to a preparation, so each and every day there is something coming which is you can't imagine, but after college you will understand that today a new activity will added. And also there is too much or too many assignments, clinical assignments, theoretical assignment, so all you have to complete at least your pre-test time, because after pre-test they will send the marks to the board, so you have to complete in between some few days. So now you think, so all of the day, and I spent many months here, I love, because it is more beautiful for me than the BSc, so I like this. Now you think. So I complete my whole day with such a good snacks. It is dahi fuchka, and I think you all of like this video very much. So again we will meet. So bye friends.